Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss rectilinear motions of a particle. So before this we'll discuss some basic concept of this. So rectilinear motion of a particles. What is the difference of the rectilinear motions? If body will move in a straight line, body will move in a straight line. So motion of particles along a straight line is known as rectilinear motions. So there are two types of velocity. What is uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity? Uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. What is there in the non-uniform velocity? So particles move with same velocity, same direction, and with equal interval of times. So particles move same velocity, same directions, and with equal interval of time. This is known as uniform velocity. If we will discuss about the non-uniform velocity, so different velocity, different directions, and with unequal interval of times will known as non-uniform velocity. So under this we will study just simple three formulas. What is this formula? Velocity of a body moving with the uniform acceleration after time t second. What will be the formula? V is equal to u plus et. How it is coming? Suppose you see a is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. So how we will get here? See, at is equal to v minus u. So v is equal to, you bring this side, at. So what is this velocity? Velocity of body moving with a uniform acceleration after time t. This is the one formula came. Now next formula, what is distance traveled by a particle after t second. After t second. So what is the formula coming? S equal to ut plus half at square. How is coming? This formula is coming average velocity into time. Into times. What is average velocity? V plus u by u, right? Initial velocity plus final velocity. Initial velocity plus final velocity for 2 is average velocity, and into t. So what we can write here? T will be multiplied for average velocity. So we can write ut by 2 plus vt by 2. Now again what we can write here? Same ut by 2 plus 1 by 2 v. V is nothing but u plus at. So u plus at into t we can write. Now you look here, ut by 2 same as it is, we write ut by 2 plus ut by 2 plus half a t square. So ut plus 2 half. So what will come? Ut, because ut by 2 half. So 1 plus half a t square. What is this one? Distance traveled by a particle after time t second. Distance traveled after particle t seconds. How this coming? Average velocity into average velocity to time. Now velocity of particles in terms of the distance travel. What is? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this three formula is there. Again I will write these three formulas separately here. You see here. Okay, that I will write it now. First formula will be V is equal to u plus at. Second formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Third formula will be V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Based on the three formula, we can solve the rectilinear motions problem. So what is here u? U is initial velocity. U is nothing but initial velocity. V is final velocity. V is final velocity. A is acceleration. A is acceleration. I am writing short form acceleration. S is nothing but distance traveled. Distance traveled. S is distance traveled. T is time. T is time. Unit is second. Velocity unit is meter per second. Final meter per second. Acceleration meter per second square. Distance traveled unit is this. So this problem number 1, formula number 1, formula number 2, formula number 3, and with this notations we can solve the some two problems I kept here. So these two problems I will solve now based on these three formula. So okay, so this is the concept for this rectilinear motion of a particle. Now we will solve these two questions. So let this will rub it now. Now these two questions I will solve. First question first we will solve. What is the first question telling? A train running at 80 km per hour is brought in a starting halt after 50 seconds. Find the retardation. Retardation is negative acceleration and distance travel as they are asking to find. So before this, one basic other concept will be there. What is the concept is that if body start from rest, when body, these two conditions, when body start from rest, body start from rest. If like this sentence will be there in this problem. Suppose what is brought to a standing starting halt, or somewhere you will see this somewhere they will train start from rest. So when body start from rest, in that case what will be there? Initial velocity will be zero. In that case initial velocity will be zero. When body comes to the rest, that means final velocity will be zero. These two conditions you have to remember to solving like this question. When body start from rest, similar like some language they will give, we can assume initial velocity. This is called initial velocity will be zero. This V final velocity will be zero. In these two cases we have to assume. So, okay, now we will start these questions now. So what is the given this question? You listen here. A train running at 80 kilometers. So the given solution for this question. Solutions for this question. Given data. What is given data? Initial velocity they given how much? 80 kilometer per hour. Initial velocity given 80 kilometer per hour. How to convert the meter per second? See here, 80 kilo means 10 power 3. 80 into 1000. Hour. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So if you solve, this will come 22.2 meter per second. It will come 22.2 meter per second. Yes, correct. Now what is given? Next data, brought in a starting halt after 50 seconds. So final velocity, what is the given? Comes to the rest. Starting halt means come to the rest. So final velocity will be zero. Final velocity will be zero. This you write initial velocity. Final velocity will be zero. And time they given how much? Time, this is t, given how much? 50 seconds. What they are asking? Find the retardation. Retardation nothing but negative acceleration is known as retardation. So first we know the three formula. Again I am writing this three formula. U plus at s is equal to ut plus half at square and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now based on this three formula we can solve. So listen here. First formula will apply. What is given? U given, v given, t given. If you want to second formula, here see s and a, two unknown, we cannot calculate. Here also a and s, two unknown. So these two we cannot use. So first formula we can use. V is equal to u plus at. So v is equal to 0. U how much given? 22.2 plus a they are asking. Acceleration will find out. If will come acceleration negative, that is known as retardation. So 50. So a is equal to nothing but 22.2 divided by 50. So actually you can write here 22.2 is equal to minus 50a. So a is equal to 22 divided by 50. So if this you calculate, it will come answer 0.44 meter per second square. 0.44 meter per second square. It will come negative. So negative accelerations is known as retardations. Retardation. This is known as negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is known as retardation. So we got the retardation. First work is over. So second what they are asking? Distance travel. We will take the second formula. S is nothing but distance travel. So S equal to ut plus half 80 square. So u how much given? 22.2 into 50 minus 1 by 2 into 22.2. Why minus? Because deaccelerations, here we are using this formula for the acceleration, this value, into 50 square. If you calculate, you will get the s equal to some value. So already we calculated. So s value we are getting 560 meter. F equal to we are getting 560 meter. So calculations, definitely one more calculations, always you people check it, okay? So 560 meter per second. So first problem over. So they are asking retardation and distance travel. Now we'll go the second questions. This is about the first question. This is questions number 1. This solutions number 1. Now we'll go to the second questions. What is the second question telling? We will see here. First we'll explain the second questions here. Second question. What is the second question? A train start from rest. Once they given this word, that means initial velocity will be 0. Start from initial velocity 0. Run with the uniform accelerations. A given how much? 0.2 meter per second square. A given. The train passes a station A at second minute. That means 2 minutes. And station B at 4th minute. You see here. You understand. This is the station. Station A. This is a halt actually. This is station B. This is one more station. That means halt now. So once the train crossing station A, it took 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes. That is called SA. How much time taking? 2 minutes. Now, if there is crossing this station B, they are taking 4 minutes. 4 minutes. That is called SB. So the train passes station A, second minute. Second minute, that means 2 minutes. So that what they are using here, second minute. So students should confuse. So second minute and station B at 4th minute. 4 minutes. They are crossing, train crossing. What they are asking? What is the distance between A and B? A and B, what is the distance? So if you find the distance from this point, you take the junction or station or someone give P. Take the P station. From P station, train starts to A station. So once they're crossing the station A, taking 2 minutes. From the P, once is crossing the station B, taking 4 minutes. Then what is time? What is the time or distance? What is the distance between A and B? They're asking. So if you find SB minus SA, we'll get the distance. So now I am going to solve this. So what is this solutions here? See, first we'll find the distance A. So SA. That means distance travel from P to A. Distance travel from P to A. What is the formula here? UT plus half AT square. What is U here? Because it's starting from rest. Starting from the U will be 0 plus half. Acceleration the given? Yes. 0.2 into time. Time how much given? 2 seconds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. 2 minutes are given. So that means 120 seconds. So 120 whole square. So as A you will get, already I have calculated, we will check it, 1440 meter. From P to A, the distance travel how much? 1440 meter. Now, from the P station B, crossing, no? They started from P and they will cross. So distance travel from P to B how much? Again UT plus half AT square, this initial velocity 0 plus half into acceleration they given 0.2 here. Accelerations they given 0.2. Then okay, half 0.2 whole square. Here also you can write 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 t square. T square means how much? 4 minutes. 4 minutes means 4 into 60, 240 seconds. 4 minutes means 240 seconds. So you write here 240 whole square. 240 whole square. If you calculate, SB is coming, SB will come in some 5760. 5760 meter. 5760 meter. We are getting the distance from P to B. Now, if we want to distance between AB, distance AB, so what is SB minus SA? So SB minus SA, what is 5760 minus 1440? This total distance will come 4320. So 4320 meter. So what they are asking? Find the distance between station A and B. Station A and B distance is 432 meter. So total distance, how much getting P to B? 5760 meter. If we know the total distance, if we know the PA distance, if you know the PB distance, so PB distance minus PA distance equal to AB distance. So that we calculated. So SA you calculate, SB you calculate, then distance between AB, SB minus SA, this way we can calculate. So like this, whatever questions will be there, we have 3 formulas. Based on the 3 formulas we can solve. And these 2 conditions always will be useful. When the body starts from rest, initial velocity 0. When body comes to the rest, final velocity will be 0. So okay, watch this video and subscribe this channel and give the feedback how you feel. Okay, thank you students.